Hello everyone, good day. All right, welcome to Tech Hub. Okay, we are back on Google Admob. Okay, for those people who are new to Google Admob, I want to actually just make a little explanation on Google Admob. All right, Google Admob is a platform, okay, that pay app owners like you and I, all right, for them displaying their ads on your app. So in turn they pay you, and it's a multi-billion company, meaning that they can give out lots of funds. All right, if you know the game well, surely you in a very big way. All right, this is my Google Admob account so far. I made last month $4,600 just within the space of 1 month, and this month I'm making higher than that. I'm making up to $5,000 above. Okay, with my anti-ban script, which only requires you to impute your banner, interesting and reward video ads, and also the app itself runs an impression. It corrects your CPC. As you can see so far, this is my earnings so far. Okay, this is it here. This is so far. All right, this is so far. Okay, this is it. All right, I've made up to 30 million requests with it without actually doing anything. The app itself, it runs impression, it runs CPC, it runs everything that will make your account balanced without seeing any minus or where in your account. And sure, it's legit. Your cash out is sure, as long as you follow my instructions and not be too greedy. All right, because we've been into this game for a very long time, so we know the ingredients to make your cash out very sure and legit. Okay, so far let me show you guys also in my threshold how much I have so far there. Let me show you guys how much I have so far in my threshold account. Okay, this I have. Look at it here. Look at my last payment. This for October. Okay, this for November, this for December. Okay, with the anti-ban app, you're sure like cash out is legit, is sure. And as long I am repeating it again, as long as you're not too greedy and follow my instructions, surely your cash out will be sure and is legit and is guaranteed. Okay, let me show you guys the how the script actually look like. Let me show you guys how it looks like. All right, look at it here. Okay, this is the script here. Okay, it's anti-ban, it's $7 CPC. Okay, it controls your CPC, CTR and CPM, and no VPN is required. Easy to use. Copy and paste your banner register as. Google Admob is so sweet using this technique. Very sweet and legit. Okay, so let me show you guys how it works. Okay, you input your banner code here, interesting code here, reward video code here. Click on next. Input the clicks you want. All right, click on next, and you must accept. Click on OK, so you can access your location and then start working with it, whereby it gives the best location to earn, and the earning is done by itself. All right, it's not a clicking app. The earning itself is done by the app by itself. All right, let me show you guys my CPM so far using this technique. Let me show you guys my CPM. Can you see my CPM is $7. Very high earning, very high earning. All right, everything is so sweet. Look at my impression. See, my impression is 900,000. Request 30 million. So very clean and legit. Nothing like ban with this technique. All right, so if you want this script, you see my link below in the description box. Chat me for it. I'm running a promo from now to the end of this month, and if it's reached the end of this month, the promo itself will end and it's not go back to normal price. All right, see you guys in the next 5-6 days for my cash out video. Thank you very much.